Hello and welcome to this week's edition of Wednesday Wisdom. My name is JB Hilliard and these are short video snippets designed to answer questions you may have about estate planning or probate. But for this week, I am taking a slight departure from my normal format because I had something come over me and I just feel like someone needs to hear this message, and it's going to be short. But on Sunday on my way to church, I heard a song, It's Not Over by Israel and New Breed. And that's not a new song. In fact, I think it's over 10 years old. But it hit me a different kind of way. And so I just want you, when you get a moment, to pull that song up and actually listen to or look at the lyrics of that song. Again, it's Israel and New Breed, It's Not Over. And basically it says it's not over till God says it's over. So it doesn't matter what you're going through, what season you're in. If God is in it, there is no limit to what He can do for you. So like I said, that hit me a little differently this time around. So hopefully someone who hears this needed to hear this. So you all be blessed. And as always, thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.